This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by holding the RPM in the high band and getting immediate control. Clutch in, hand on gear lever, eyes on the tachometer so you feel the rhythm. Once done, lift throttle very quickly but predictably for about 2 to 4 tenths of a second so revs stay steady. You then disengage the clutch just long enough to release the current gear and prepare to move the shifter with a firm, precise motion because speed matters at high RPM. You now focus on the core execution. Blip the throttle or use a quick half release to bring engine speed into harmony with the next gear so synchros can engage smoothly. Then move the shifter decisively, not sloppy, and release the clutch with a controlled cadence to avoid a jolting engagement. Make sure to keep brake pressure balanced if braking. Once the gear is engaged, smoothly restore full throttle to prevent bogging. This synchronization reduces. You complete the maneuver by fully releasing the clutch and reapplying throttle progressively until the engine and drivetrain settle into the new gear. This avoids driveline shock. Once done, monitor engine and gearbox sound and temperature to detect stress early. If you experience a grind or the shift sticks, slow the engine a touch, blip to resync shaft speeds, and try the shift again with smoother timing. This troubleshooting step fixes most misalignments without forcing the gearbox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.